Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 2056 at Hilton Petaling Jaya. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the floor plan on the back of the door. To the right, as you enter the room, we have the light switches. These two are for the bathroom. This one is for the foyer. This one is the master light switch. This one is for the do not disturb sign. And this one is for the makeup room sign. Here, we have the bathroom. To the left of the bathroom is the bathtub. We have bath gel, conditioner and shampoo right there. Light right there. Mirrors, low. A shaving mirror right there. Power outlets, USB-A ports. Body lotion and hand wash. We have toilet roll down there with the hairdryer behind it. The bin. Sink is in the middle. Towels down there. And here we have the bathroom amenities with a couple of glasses and a box of tissues. Here we have the shower area. It is a dual shower setup, so we have the rain shower right above and a handheld shower right there. And we have another set of shampoo, conditioner and bath gel. Toilet, handheld bidet, toilet roll, towels and bath mat. There's hooks behind the door. And right opposite the bathroom is the wardrobe area. There we have drawers, in-room safe, we have hangers above, and a bit of storage right at the top. This is the view that you get as you enter the room. And right here we have in-room slippers below, ironing board, storage above, hangers, bathrobes, the laundry stuff, and the iron is down there. Down here we have the fridge. It is empty, so you can put your own items in there. Here we have a drawer. And here we have the pantry area with the coffee machine, the kettle, couple of glasses, couple of mugs, all the tea and coffee making stuff. Behind there we have a power outlet and the light switch for the pantry area. Here we have coffee pots, bottles of water, the minibar menu, place to put luggage, flat screen Samsung TV, and it is a very comfortable bed. On the right bedside table, we have storage, a drawer, all the various light switches together with 2 power outlets and 4 USB-A ports. There's a light right above. A window looking into the bathroom. You can always close the shade if you did not, if you wanted privacy. Climate control panel. Power outlet. Down there is the bin. It is a dual bin setup, so you have regular waste to the left and recyclable waste to the right. Desk with the desk chair, in-room telephone, more power outlets and USB-A ports. You scan that QR code to view the room service menu and guest services directory. We have notes from the hotel, the in-room breakfast menu. And above, we have a mirror. There's a light right there. Table, armchair. And on the left bedside table, we have storage, a drawer, writing materials, TV remote, and more light switches and power outlets and USB-A ports. A light. And as for the view out, you can see the road behind the hotel, the buildings in the distance, that is Federal Highway. Not a bad view. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 2056 at Hilton Petaling Jaya. Thanks for watching and goodbye.